Just coming back from some time with the InterSystems executive leadership team. We had a fantastic couple of days in Boston. In this next interview, you're going to see me chat to Mike Fuller, who's head of marketing for the UK and Ireland at InterSystems. We have a fantastic conversation about some of the nuances around how InterSystems is innovating in healthcare, really providing value to people as they look to re-architect the stack, but also operate in a highly regulated industry such as healthcare. You're going to enjoy this one. Fascinating conversation ahead. So, fascinating conversations here over the last few hours with InterSystems. We've been talking about the data fabric and the smart data fabric and what you guys are doing there. I think, can you build on that for me and go into some of those applications? You know, supply chain, healthcare, you guys are in space as well. Can you just kind of layer on for me and go up the stack, if you will?
Okay, so how do we get the power of that data platform into the hands of more people and into more scenarios? And you've got to do it in a vertical way nowadays because computing's matured. People want not just the solutions from the packaged vendors, but they need the solutions to real-world data problems. But they need a different group of people to be able to get the power of that system. So let's give you two examples. So InterSystems Data Fabric Studio is a way of, it's a managed service and it comes with modules, and it's a way of someone in supply chain very quickly getting value by connecting the different systems and getting that data into their supply chain optimization or their fulfillment programs, really connecting systems. Similar story in finance. How do you get all those data sources to make better risk decisions? And those come with modules for those markets. Perhaps even more interesting is in our healthcare delivery, because although InterSystems Data Fabric Studio will come out very soon with a healthcare module to help people build the kind of command and control centers that they need to manage the overall capacity and supply, we actually have an EHR. It's called IntelliCare, and it's a great way of showing people how Agentic AI is now coming to play, because it's changing the game, both the user experience and also for those RAG-powered, contextual, agentic, multiple workflows where decisions are made in the moment.
One of the things that came away from me, for the session today is there's about 5 billion people on the planet with an electronic health record. You're managing 1 in 5 of those. That blew my mind when I heard that stat. So I think it's not only just a fascinating technology that you've got and some of this stuff in IntelliCare that you bring into market, but it's you doing that at scale.
Yeah, and I think that's the real world experience we get. There's a couple of things about that. Because we've got that implementation of AI in-house, we're learning about the practical delivery of agentic AI within an integrated stack. Because there's a lot of people who don't have it in the base platform, and so it's a bolt-on solution.
It's a sort of Lego bricks not put together properly, and there's challenges in that.
For your car, but it's in a trailer behind you.
Yeah,
We're
exactly.
actually putting it into the platform, so everything built above it is AI native. Now, I have to say that of those 1 billion healthcare records, not all of them are in our healthcare solutions, they're in our partners, and that's a key part to our business.
Yeah.
We want partners to take those InterSystems Data Fabric Studio and the components of things like HealthShare, which also has this agentic AI approach, and build their solutions. So we're trying to build, we have actually an ecosystem, and the future is really wide open because AI needs data, and that's where we are. And the data from different sources and different formats for different use cases. That's us, that kind of system across systems.
Well, that's been the takeaway for me for the last few hours with the InterSystems team. It's not only that data layer, it's the AI, it's through into those key applications, but also with enabling partners. So you've been watching us here at InterSystems with this wonderful view in Boston. Check back for more content. We'll speak to you soon.